Good morning. I'm Dr. Lee. I understand you've been referred here due to some symptoms that may be related to your thyroid function. Can you tell me more about what you've been experiencing lately?
好，過去幾個月我一直覺得好焦慮、好緊張，就算冇咩事發生都係咁。我食多咗，但係體重反而輕咗，而且個心成日冇原因咁跳得好快。
In addition to weight loss and palpitations, have you experienced any symptoms like excessive sweating, sensitivity to heat, or muscle weakness?
有，特別係夜晚我出好多汗，而且好容易攰，就算係行樓梯呢啲簡單動作，我對腳都會覺得冇力同震。有，特別係夜晚我出好多汗，而且好容易攰，就算係行樓梯呢啲簡單動作，我對腳都會覺得冇力同震。有，前幾日照鏡都覺得對眼好似突咗出嚟，我啲朋友都睇得出，仲有，我覺得一隻眼大，一隻眼細，頸呢就有少少腫腫地，之前冇咁樣嘅症狀。
Those are very characteristic symptoms of Graves' disease, which is an autoimmune condition where your immune system produces antibodies that overstimulate the thyroid gland, leading to hyperthyroidism.
呢種病嚴唔嚴重啊？
First, I'll order a thyroid function panel. If your thyroid hormone levels are elevated, we'll also schedule a radioactive iodine uptake scan. That scan helps us distinguish between different causes of hyperthyroidism. Graves' disease typically shows a diffusely increased uptake pattern.
我家庭醫生已經幫我驗過甲狀腺功能，我帶咗報告嚟。
That's strange. It doesn't seem to be in our system. But no worries, I'm glad you brought a copy. Is your PCP part of our clinic?
係，就喺呢棟大樓嘅3樓。
Did he go over the lab results with you?
冇，佢只係話我要睇你。
Okay. This test is called a thyroid function panel. Low thyroid hormone levels typically indicate hypothyroidism, while high thyroid hormone levels often suggest hyperthyroidism. As you can see on this number, you have hyperthyroidism. The next step is to schedule a radioactive iodine uptake scan. That scan helps us distinguish between different causes of hyperthyroidism. Graves' disease typically shows a diffusely increased uptake pattern.
但係我對碘有敏感，之前照掃描或者做造影都出過紅疹同呼吸困難。
On your chart, it says that you are allergic to contrast dye, not iodine. The type of iodine used in the radioactive iodine uptake scan is different from the contrast dye used in imaging tests, and most people with contrast allergies can still safely undergo the scan. That said, out of caution, we can explore other options like a thyroid ultrasound or checking your thyroid antibody levels to help us make the diagnosis.
我啱啱唔記得講，除咗隻眼突突地之外， 我最近對眼仲成日覺得乾同唔舒服。
That could definitely be related. Many patients with Graves' disease experience light sensitivity, dryness, or a gritty, foreign body sensation in the eyes. This often happens because the eyelids get pulled back slightly and the eyes don't blink fully.
我多口問句，點解對眼會影響？
In Graves' disease, the immune system produces thyroid-stimulating immunoglobulins that mimic thyroid-stimulating hormone, causing the thyroid to enlarge and produce excessive T3 and T4 hormones, which speeds up your metabolism and affects nearly every organ system. The same antibodies can also stimulate the tissues behind your eyes, leading to Graves' ophthalmopathy. This causes inflammation, swelling, and bulging of the eyes, known as exophthalmos.
我會唔會盲？
The good news is that most people with Graves' eye disease do not lose their vision. While symptoms like dryness, irritation, and bulging can be uncomfortable or even affect your appearance, vision loss is rare and usually only happens in severe, untreated cases.
我對眼應該點處理呢？
We can refer you to an eye specialist who focuses on thyroid eye disease. There are treatments available, including lubricating drops, medications to reduce inflammation, and in some cases, surgery can help protect your vision and relieve symptoms.
嗰位眼科醫生係咪喺呢棟大樓入面？因為講真，要去第二個地方真係好唔方便，我要請假，安排交通，加埋而家身體有咁多問題要處理，如果可以喺同一棟樓睇專科，真係會輕鬆好多，唔使周圍走。嗰位眼科醫生係咪喺呢棟大樓入面？因為講真，要去第二個地方真係好唔方便，我要請假，安排交通，加埋而家身體有咁多問題要處理，如果可以喺同一棟樓睇專科，真係會輕鬆好多，唔使周圍走。我想確認一下，如果我治療甲狀腺，將荷爾蒙水平調返正常，咁對眼啲問題應該都會自然好返啦，係咪？
It's not that simple. Treating the thyroid does help stabilize your overall condition, but unfortunately, the eye symptoms don't always improve just because the thyroid levels are normal. Graves' eye disease is a separate autoimmune process that can run its own course, sometimes getting better, staying the same, or even getting worse temporarily, even after your thyroid is under control. That's why we often manage the thyroid and the eyes separately, depending on how severe your eye symptoms are.
我個心跳問題呢？我最近脾氣大咗，好容易煩躁，有時仲覺得個心跳得好勁，好似要跳出胸口咁。
That's consistent with tachycardia, which is common in hyperthyroid states. Over time, it can lead to complications like atrial fibrillation if not treated.
應該點處理？你會轉介我去睇心臟科醫生，定係你會開啲控制心跳嘅藥俾我食？
We start by prescribing a type of medication called a beta blocker called propranolol. It helps slow down your heart rate, reduce shakiness, and ease that feeling of anxiety. At this point, we don't necessarily need to refer you to a cardiologist unless your symptoms persist or worsen, like if you start experiencing chest pain, shortness of breath, or dizziness. But for now, medication should be a good first step.
老實講，我真係好驚，成日心跳無啦啦加快，好似下一秒會出事咁，感覺好唔安，好似隨時會死。但又唔只係身體啲症狀咁簡單，係全部嘢加加埋埋。我覺得自己從來都冇得休息，我永遠都係嗰個照顧其他人嘅人，仔女、父母、老公，而家輪到我病。我竟然覺得連照顧自己嘅空間都冇，有時我會諗，我幾時先至可以真正享受下自己嘅人生？我成日都喺度趕，喺度幫人，處理人哋嘅事，而家我自己身體就好似開始崩潰咁。
What you're going through is incredibly difficult. Not just physically, but emotionally too. You've been carrying so much on your shoulders for so long, and now your body is telling you it needs care too. Would you be open to talking with a mental health therapist? Sometimes having someone to talk to who's trained to help people navigate stress, anxiety, and burnout can make a huge difference.
我覺得我唔需要睇心理醫生，我又唔係黐線，我只係攰同埋頂唔順啫。搵個陌生人講我啲問題，唔會令啲嘢有改善。我而家最需要嘅就係身體快啲好返，咁我先可以繼續照顧我屋企人，呢個就係我唯一想要嘅。
I hear you, and I want you to know that I'm not saying you're crazy. Feeling overwhelmed doesn't mean there's something wrong with you. It just means you've been strong for a really long time, and even strong people need support sometimes. Talking to a therapist isn't about fixing you. It's about giving you a space where you don't have to carry everything alone. But this is completely your choice.
我覺得我冇咩問題，我嘅治療方案係點樣啊？
There are 3 main treatment options: antithyroid medications, radioactive iodine ablation, and surgical thyroidectomy. Each has its pros and cons depending on your age, symptoms, and other health factors.
你可唔可以講清楚每個選擇係做咩？有咩副作用？你又覺得邊個最適合我？
First, the medications block thyroid hormone synthesis. They can help control symptoms while we decide on a long-term plan. While many patients tolerate them well, some experience rash, joint pain, or even more serious issues like agranulocytosis, which is a drop in white blood cells. That's why we monitor blood counts regularly.
我本身已經有輕微關節炎，我驚會加重，仲有咩其他選擇？
Second, radioactive iodine therapy. This is a one-time oral treatment that destroys overactive thyroid tissue using a small dose of radioactive iodine. It's a more permanent option. Many patients end up needing lifelong thyroid hormone replacement afterward, but it's effective at stopping the overproduction. It's generally safe, but it's not recommended if you're pregnant or planning to become pregnant soon, and it can sometimes make eye symptoms worse in people with Graves' ophthalmopathy.
我已經經歷咗更年期，肯定唔會懷孕。不過我都幾擔心對眼會變差，咁第三個選擇呢？
Thyroidectomy. This involves removing all or part of your thyroid gland. It's usually reserved for people who have large goiters, nodules that might be suspicious, or who can't tolerate other treatments. Surgery is effective, but like all surgeries, it carries some risks, including injury to the vocal cord nerves or the parathyroid glands that control calcium levels.
手術聽落真係幾驚，要開刀割頸部，切除一部分器官，聽落好嚴重。我覺得3個選擇都唔理想。我知道一定要做啲嘢，但係每一個方法都有代價，實在好難唔覺得壓力山大。
We consider your age, symptom severity, response to meds, and personal preferences. Some patients want definitive treatment right away, while others prefer to start with medication.
我真係唔知自己屬於邊一類，有一部分嘅我想快啲搞掂，可以專心生活，但一諗到要做手術或者接受放射性治療，我就覺得好大壓力，好唔自在。
You can take some time to think about everything. For now, let's go ahead and do a thyroid ultrasound and check your thyroid antibody levels. Just wait here. My nurse will be in shortly to help you get started.
唔該晒你。